let's go for dinner in a very special place, having Nyonya food. So in the white shirt clan, when we have the soy sauce, let me do a magic. The sauce to become into black person. Alright, so we are here at Kocik restaurant to dine our dinner. And what is special about here is I think the food looks like home cooked, food. So Nyonya dishes, home cooked, I think it's awesome. Let's dine and try the food. All the don't know what egg. Let's try it. Home cooked taste. Tastes good. Let's see. Sedap eh. This chicken is damn sedap. Let's eat. Let's try it. Explain what does it taste like?
那个椰子椰糖很香。
Cool. That is done. We are done with our meal, dinner at Kocik Kitchen Nyonya restaurant. Delicious homemade Nyonya food. Okay, so full. Let's walk.